Hello dear, welcome back to your new lesson, and today we are going to talk about to be verb. Okay, the to be verbs are am, is, are. Okay, so this is that means in English to be appears a lot of times because to be can be used as main verb and it can also be used as an auxiliary verb. Okay, today we will discuss on that. So first of all, to be verbs. There are 5 forms of to be verbs. Stem of to be is be, and present form of to be is am, is, are, and past form of to be is was, are, past participle of to be is been, and ing form or present participle of to be is being. Okay, so now number 1 is be. Am, is, are, main verb, simple present. That means to be is used as main verb. Okay, as main verb in the simple present tense. Okay, so how can we use? If the subject is I, we will have to use am. If the subject is he, she, it, or subject, we will have to use is because this is third person singular. And if the subject is you, we, they, and the boys, we will have to use are because these subjects are plural. Okay, so if the subject is I, the affirmative sentence will be I am a writer, and negative sentence will be I am not a writer, because we will have to add not or negative word after to be verb. Okay, so to make a question in the simple present tense, we will have to use am at the beginning of the sentence or before the subject. So then the sentence will be am I a writer, and the negative interrogative sentence will be am I not a writer. If the subject is he, she, it, or subject, then the subject will be affirmative sentence will be he is a writer, negative will be he is not a writer, interrogative is he a writer, and negative interrogative is he not a writer. If the subject is you, we, they, the boys, then the sentence affirmative sentence will be you are a writer, and negative sentence is you are not a writer, interrogative sentence is are you a writer, and negative interrogative sentence is are you not a writer. These all sentences, the main verb is am, is, are. Why? Do you know? Because these all sentences, the only verb is am, is, are. There is no other verb. Okay, if there is no other verb except to be in a sentence, then the am, is, are will be the main verb. Okay, so number 2, be main verb, simple past was. That means be is used as main verb in the simple past tense, and then the verb will be the past form of be will be was, were. Okay, so when we can use it, if the subject is I, he, she, it, subject, we will have to use was. And if the subject is plural, that means we, you, they, the girls, we will have to use were. Okay, so then affirmative sentence will be I was a student, negative sentence will be I was not a student. Already I have told that we add not after to be to make a negative sentence, and interrogative sentence will be was I a student, and negative interrogative sentence will be was not I a student, was I not a student. And if the subject is we, you, they, the girls, the sentence will be we are students, affirmative sentence will be we are students, and negative sentence will be we are not students, and interrogative sentence will be are we students, and negative interrogative sentence will be why are we not students. In this sentence only the verb is was and were, because there is no other verb in this sentence. That's why the main verb is was and were. Okay, well, another use of be is be is used as an auxiliary verb to form continuous to denote the continuous aspect of an action. That means it is used as an auxiliary verb in the present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Okay, so in the present continuous tense, be is used as am, is, are. If the subject is I, okay, if the subject is I, we will have to use am, and if the subject is you or you, we, they, the boys, we will have to use are, because these subjects are plural. And if the subject is he, she, it, Raju, we will have to use is, because this subject is singular. Okay, so when the subject is I, then the sentence can be I am playing football. Here am is an auxiliary verb, and this auxiliary verb followed this auxiliary verb is followed by ing form of verb. Okay, so or present participle. Okay, playing, here playing is present participle form of a verb. Negative, then the negative sentence will be I am not playing football, and we know that after be in the negative sentence, that means to make a negative sentence, after be we will have to add not. In the interrogative sentence, we will have to use be verb at the beginning of the sentence or before the subject. Okay, that's why then the sentence will be am I playing football. At the end of the sentence, we will have to use question mark. Okay, so negative interrogative sentence will be am I not playing football. So when the subject is you, we, they, the boys, then the sentence can be you are playing. Okay, and the negative sentence will be you are not playing. The interrogative sentence will be are you playing. The negative interrogative sentence will be are you not playing. And we will use are. Why? Do you know why? Because the subject is you, and here you is third person plural. Okay, sorry, you is second person. So if the subject is he, she, it, Raju, we will have to use is. Okay, because these subjects are third person singular, then the sentence will be he is playing, he is not playing, is he playing, is he not playing. Okay, so here am is are. In this sentence, am is are auxiliary verb. Okay, am is are used as an auxiliary verb in these sentences. So another ways of using be is first be, that means be is used in past continuous tense. Then the first form of be is was were. Okay, so if the subject is I, including third person singular, we will have to use was, and in other cases we will have to use were. Okay, so if the subject is I, then the sentence will be I was swimming. Or if the subject is he was swimming, she was swimming, it was swimming, Raju was swimming. And the negative sentence will be I was not swimming. Interrogative sentence will be was I swimming. Negative interrogative sentence will be was I not swimming. This was in this sentence was is auxiliary verb. Was is used as an auxiliary verb. So if the subject is we, the sentence will be we are swimming. Remember that many students, that means a lot of students who pronounced this word as were. It is not as pronounced. It is not, that means which is mistake, which is wrong pronunciation, and the right pronunciation of this word is were. Okay, so the sentence will be were swimming, were not swimming, why are you swimming, why are you not swimming. Okay, well, another ways of using be for you is that be is used as an auxiliary verb in the passive tenses and progressive tenses, that means continuous tenses. Okay, remember that in continuous tenses, when the tense is continuous, you will have to be used, that means be is used twice in continuous tenses. Okay, that means is being. So let's look at some examples with it. if the sentence is present simple, okay, if the sentence is present simple, that means the sentence maybe the sentence is I write a letter, okay, I write a letter, it is active in this sentence, active form, it is active form in this sentence, and then the passive sentence will be, then the passive sentence will be a letter, okay, a letter is written by me. If the sentence is present simple, okay, it is passive sentence, passive, okay. So if the sentence is past simple, that means I wrote a letter, then you will have to be use was, were. If the subject is third person singular, you will have to use was, and if the subject is if the subject is plural, you will have to use were, okay. So then the passive sentence will be a letter was written by me in case of simple past. That means if the sentence is simple past, okay. So another example for you is that I am writing a letter. Here am is used as an auxiliary verb because the sentence is present continuous, okay. So the passive sentence will be a letter is being written by me. Already I have told you that when the sentence is progressive tenses or passive or continuous tenses, you will have to be, that means be is used twice, okay, is being, and it follows the past participle. That means every passive sentence will follow the past participle of verb, okay. So if the sentence is past continuous tense, that means I was writing a letter, then the passive sentence will be, here it is passive sentence, active, no, sorry. So, in case of past continuous, if the sentence is I was writing a letter, then the passive sentence will be a letter was being written by me, okay. The last example for you is that is exceptional, okay. The rules is exceptional because if the active sentence is made with going to, that means if the sentence is I am going to write a letter, the passive sentence will be a letter is going to be written by me, okay. That means after that means going to followed be, then going to followed be and past participle, okay. So in this way we can transfer, okay, in this way we can transfer active sentence into passive, okay. So I think this lesson is I hope you find this lesson is very useful, and I think you can remove a lot of confusion about this topic, that means about to be, okay. So you should practice a lot in this way. It will be, if you practice a lot in this way, it will be better for you, and I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, you take care, stay happy and stay cool. Have a great day.